Good afternoon, everyone. More information emerges about the year without a summer for Greenland's shorebirds now starving, no nesting grounds or bare ground. Also in the Arctic, these unknown, unexplainable giant spheres. Looking at sea ice thickness, 2008 compared to 2018, quite a difference. And even from 2017 to 2018, looks like ice is increasing. And this personal image was sent to me. Only you can prevent climate change. And during the grand solar minimum, you're going to have to grow some of your own food. Sprouting, microgreens, plants, vegetables, trueleafmarket.com. The Adapt 2030 link is in the description box below, as well as the links to tonight's images and stories. Now, if you haven't been following the saga of Greenland's shorebirds, they arrived this year to record late snowpack. This is termed a year without a summer for these Greenland shorebirds. There's nowhere for them to nest, and there's no food. They're actually starting to starve up there. Reports coming in from the Zackenberg Station June 14th, just a few days ago. The tundra was still 100% covered in snow. And over the last several decades, it's been snow-free, and this is where these birds nest. Now we're looking at an average depth of about 1 meter. Something's definitely changed in this last year. Grand solar minimum. Also right out of the Siberian Times, amazing Arctic giant natural balls. These are up in the Franz Josef Archipelago. Unexplainable to say the least. This place is incredibly remote. And when you look at the location, the way it's set within the set of islands there, it almost looked like the central point. If I was going to set up something, I would choose the same spot for safety, harbor, maybe a settlement. How long ago would that have been? Cosmic landscape. They call it footballs of the gods. Several of these up there, and they cannot explain what they are, how they were formed, or how they're even in this so remote place on our planet. Prior civilization, perhaps? Could be. Aside from that first photo, I was thinking, how large are these things really? And a couple that were buried and actually broke open show hollow on the inside. Some of them are smaller, some of them are larger. And they even have very tiny ones. Now, these are supposedly from sea action, but those others that are miles uphill, that's kind of unexplainable. Thought I'd bring it to you. It's in the Arctic, right near Greenland as well. And speaking of Arctic ice, sea ice thickness, left side, July 9th, 2008. Right side, July 9th, 2018. Please remember that red that you're seeing on the right side of the graph at 90 degrees north, that's still 14-foot thick ice. We didn't see that back in 2008. Notice the density change. And you thought, okay, well, that's a 10-year difference. Let's just compare last year to this year, as close as I could get. July 20th, 2017 to July 19th, 2018. Again, notice the difference specifically between Alaska and Russia. More sea ice up there, thicker right around the North Pole. Still looking at 14-foot thick ice. I don't know how this is going to melt before it starts to refreeze in mid-September. And checking my Twitter feed, this was sent to me, just popped up in a group. I was thinking of you, Adapt. Here's the full image. Only you can prevent climate change. No, actually, that big yellow thing in the background, that's what's causing the change. It's the sun. It's not CO2. It's not you. Thanks for watching. Hope you got something out of the video. If you like this type of content, please remember to subscribe and click that bell to get the latest updates. You can also get more commentary on my tri-weekly podcast, Mini Ice Age Conversations. And if you're looking for more blog post content, text along with images, steemit.com/adapt2030.